In this video, we'll be looking at functions as ordered pairs. Given a list of ordered pairs, if one x value is paired with two different y values, then the relation is not a function. This is the same as saying one person has two birth dates, and we know this can't happen. So if one x value is paired with two different y values, then our relation is not a function. To identify the domain and range, we're going to simply look at the x and y values in the ordered pairs, just like we did when we were looking at regular relations. So let's determine whether each relation is a function. We'll justify it, and then state the domain and range. So let's take a look. Is this set of ordered pairs a function or not? Well, what we want to do is make sure that each x value is paired with only one y value. So we've looked through our x values, 2, -3, 4, 0. There's no repeating in the x values at all. So this is a function. And you may notice that we have a y value of 5 that repeats. Well, this isn't a problem for us. That doesn't contradict the definition of a function. This would be like saying that two different people had the same birth date, and we know that that's possible. So this is a function. Our justification is each x value is paired with one y value. Next, we want to state the domain and the range of this function. The domain is simply the set of all x values. So we're using set brackets since it's a set, and then we just list our x values. 2, -3, 4, 0. The range, that's the set of all y values. So we start with our set brackets, and now we're going to list all of our y values. 5, 7, 5 again, but I already have it, so I'm not going to repeat it, and -1. Let's take a look at our next set of ordered pairs and determine whether it's a function. To be a function, each x value is paired with only one y value. So we start by looking at our x values and see if we see an x value that repeats. We have an x value of 1, 6, and 1 again. Notice that this x value of 1 is paired with two different y values. This means this is not a function. Our justification is going to be just what we mentioned. One x value is paired with two different y values. Even though this is not a function, we can still state the domain and range of the relation. The domain is the set of all x values. 1, 6, I'm not going to write 1 again, and 7. While the range is the set of all y values. 4, 6, -3, and 5.